Welcome to the Pi overview. To start, this page is the project list page. Great visuals for showing what's happening. Each project shows its Pi, and some of these are sliced up into project phases. The green shows % done. If needed, you can create a collection of sub-projects under a major project, such as a program. Let's create a really simple project such as planning a vacation. I'll show you a more complex project in a minute. Enter the name. Choose to create from scratch or from an existing recipe. Let's create from scratch and click Finish. That's it. You can start with creating some tasks, or if you expand the button, you can create a board or process boxes for grouping tasks into subphases or deliverables. Let's just add some tasks. You can reorder them, assign people, then mark them done. Notice the green bar showing % done. Okay, what if you have a more complex project? To start with, you can add slices for project phases. Here's an example project a manager created with 5 slices. Click on the plan slice to see the plan tasks and subtasks. Hover over a task to see its how-to tips. The project task can be filtered in many ways. I'll filter it to Kate's work. Let's click on Define. Notice in this slice, the project manager used process boxes. Each box has its own set of tasks. You can drag to reorder the boxes. In this slice, we're using the process boxes to group requirement tasks. In the build phase, the team decided to set up a board. You can create your own columns. As the team gets the work done, they can drag and drop tasks between the columns. Or let's go back to the requirements slice. Find a task we want to work on next, and let's drag it over to build. Here it is. We have extra automation features such as marking the sprint done for repeatable use of the board and lots of other goodies. We started the project with known process steps. The middle of the project is for the development team to do their work in an agile environment. And then the ending of the project is back to known process steps again. Other cool features includes the files view, post view for messages and their replies. The Ideas tab is where team members can post up a new idea or perhaps some lessons learned. And the Issues tab is for posting issues and risks. Let's now look at other pages. The recipe page is where you would create a project recipe, which is a project template. A library of ready-to-use recipes for your teams to leverage will make it a lot easier for them to select a framework that works best for their project. Great for repeatable type projects. The On My Plate page is where each user can see their task workload for the week across projects. They can view posts for messages, new ideas, and issues. And you can manage time tracking for hours against projects or project tasks. The report page is great for viewing data and exporting to business analytics tools. Another reports page is the portfolio timeline view. And here you can see all of my projects, and I can zoom in, take a look at the bigger picture across all of the months. And if I hover over a project, I can see progress. I can click to jump to the project, jump to the issues. The help centers learn how to use Pi. You have different sections you can click on, or you can go ahead and search for a keyword. In the upper left corner, we can get to the settings pages. The workspace page is where you can set up and manage workspaces to contain projects. You can assign people here as well and give them certain permissions. You can create an organization to leverage extra features and to set up workspaces for grouping projects such as company departments. You can even manage multiple organizations from your account, which is great for consulting firms with different clients, each with their own set of workspaces. As you can see, Pi is different and more valuable than other tools. First of all, it's visual and easy for teams. Secondly, you can improve project results with flexibility and combining process with agile. And third, team members can better engage with sharing lessons learned and new ideas to make future projects even better. Oh, and finally, the app is 100% responsive. Looks great on an iPad, and get access to everything on your iPhone or Android device. This demo covered only a partial set of features, so go ahead and click the Start Free button at the end of this video and start with a forever free account. You can then upgrade to the Pro or Enterprise version for extra features. Thank you for your time.